Hello everyone, this is Arif from Tech with King and I'm back another new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run Windows 10 into your Android phone using Limbo emulator. So without any wasting of time, so let's get started. First of all, you have to download an Limbo application. Since I'm making videos on this application, so this is the PC emulator that you can run any Windows ISO in your Android phone. So you have to download this, and I already provide the download link in the description. So you have to download this Limbo application and install your Android. So this application is different for the other processors and different for the Intel processor. So if your processor is Snapdragon or MediaTek, so you have to download this Limbo x86. If your mobile phone processor is Intel, so you have to download the Limbo ARM. So I give the download link in the description. And the second thing, you have to download the Windows 10 ISO file. So it's around 1.35 GB file. So this download link in the also description, you can check out there and download from there. Before doing this process, let me clear you one thing. It's very difficult, and I tried more than 10 times, then it's going to work. So it depends on your phone specs. If your phone have good processor, that is Snapdragon 600, above 600, or Intel processor, it maybe can run smoothly or maybe run slowly but run. But some of the phones it's not working, not running. So make sure you're using the high specs phone. For example, I'm using here Snapdragon processor with 4 GB RAM. Let's start the procedure. First of all, you have to open the Limbo application that in my previous video I have already shown. In my previous video, I have already shown how you can run Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8.1, and this is the Windows 10. So let me show you how you can do this. So click to here none and Windows 10. I have already created the machine. I don't take the risk to create new machine because you have to do lot of changes, lot of settings. It takes more to 3 times. It's gonna be very slow. So here is, I've already created the Windows 10. It's working my phone this with the settings. So architecture, select 64, create new machine with name Windows 10 and architecture 64, machine type. I have seen in the YouTube other YouTubers are not selecting this, but in my phone this will working. So first of all, you have to you try with PC. If it is not work, then try this all PC i440FX. So I have selected this. Then I CPU model. Other YouTubers are selecting Sandy Bridge, but I am selecting Core 2 Duo because it is perfectly working with my Android phone. So cores, CPU cores, make sure you have selected the last 4 cores. And the RAM depends on your smartphone specifications. So in my Android phone there are only 1.5 GB RAM left, so I could not select 1 GB, because if you select more RAM than your Android specs, then the Limbo application automatically close. Most of the viewers comment that when they click to play, then automatically Limbo has been closed. The reason is they are selecting the more RAM than the Limbo want. So you have to select the less RAM according to your phone specifications. So hard disk, now you have to select that Windows file that I provide you the download link. So here is it approx 1.35 GB, so you have to download the download link in the description. So here is the VGA display, select VRMware and left this. So here is the user infrastructure. Make sure you set user infrastructure into SDL full screen. Make sure you have to select the full screen, either it will show you small, so make sure you have to click to full screen and click to high priority. So let's test it's working or whether not. Let me try to 2 times it will be work or not. Let's test. So click to play button. So as you can see, Windows is started loading. So let me rotate the screen and increase some brightness. So I'm going to fast forward this video because it's gonna be taking more than 10 to 15 minutes to load fully Windows. So as you can see in the Android skin, it's showing error. Your PC run into a problem, need to restart. So it maybe can show 2 to 3 times. So maybe according to your phone specs. So I'm going to restart this. So here is the reset button. I'm clicked on it and let me start the all the procedure from the beginning. So as you can see, at the second attempt, Windows 10 is started loading here. So as you can see, it's already signed in and it's sign in administrator and it's loading in the welcome screen. So as you can see, I think it maybe also take some time. So let me just fast forward this video and come back after Windows loaded. As you can see in the Android screen, after a long time, Windows 10 has been successfully loaded in our Android phone using Limbo emulator. So here is the Windows 10 fully loaded in Android phone. So this is the Windows 10 fully loaded. So I can't I can open any application, but it's take huge time. The video is already take long time. So let me just quick open the short things and show you. So if you click the volume up button, it will select like a mouse. If you click the volume down button, it will be right click, means more option of your mouse. So here is the Windows 10. As you can see, have been given the preloaded administration PC, my computer recycle bin, some shortcut keys over here. So here is the creator name. This is the developer of this Windows and it's been expired. Windows 10 enterprises evolution. So this Windows is license is expired. So I've already clicked the volume down button, means right, for more options. So just click to refresh. It's been taking long time to do anything, so that's why I'm not showing anything in this Windows 10. It's depend on your phone specifications. If your phone have 6 GB RAM or have Intel processor, it may be run faster and smooth, so that you can also open any exe file. So let me just open the start menu. So here is the keyboard. You can also use the keyboard from here. So it's still loading, as you can see. Slowly the new icons have been appearing here. I think it's still loading, so that's why it's not operating perfectly in Android. Let me just try and try to cover all things in this video. So as you can see, the Windows 10 is still loading. Slowly the icons appearing here in the taskbar, as you can see. Let me just leave that, and after come back, fully Windows loaded. I'm trying to open any application, so but it takes very huge time to load. Since I'm trying from half an hour and I could open only File Explorer and the properties of the Windows that I shown in the intro. So here is the File Explorer of the Windows 10. So it takes maybe 10 to 15 minutes to open in my Android phone. So it maybe can open in less time in your Android phone. So that's it for this video. As you can see in the Android screen, Windows 10 is successfully run in Limbo emulator. So sorry for that, I could not open any exe, means software, any software. So I try to make more videos on this hot topic, how you can run Windows software in your Android, and how you can run Windows, any Windows or Linux or Mac OS in your Android. So subscribe to my channel for the future updates. And if you try this in your Android phone, please make sure that you have commented which Android you are using and which setting you are doing in Limbo application, that you can perfectly run this Windows 10 in your Android phone. Please comment that in my comment section, the comment section below, and like this video, share this video. So if you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.